welcome back to another episode in Vlogtober. Today is Sunday the 8th or 7th, I can't remember, I lost track, but it's video number 8. We are, you see the hot air balloon here? We're not at an air balloon festival, we missed that, that was in July. We are in Caldwell, New Jersey, at the Caldwell Airport, also known as Essex County Airport. There's a air and car show today, so we're gonna check that out. I hope you enjoy it. This is just a day in the life. doing? What? Okay, Cortland 4106. All right, fine. You bought Cortland apples. They just feel awfully powdery. He who shall remain nameless here has decided that he wanted apple butter. And he's not waiting for apple butter, so we're making apple butter. And you do realize it's not going to be done until tomorrow morning, right? Yeah. So what are you going to do? You're going to show up at 4 o'clock in the morning to try the apple butter?
I could stay out in the car.
You'll stay out in the car. Okay. All right. Whatever. We're making apple butter. So I got about 6 pounds worth of Cortland apple. And I'm going to add 4 cups of brown sugar. Obviously not a diabetic friendly recipe. 1 cup, 2, 3, and 4. Ground cinnamon, I need 2 teaspoons. And trust me when I tell you that's a lot of cinnamon, so don't add any more. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. That, if you want to, you can add a little bit more. Okay. And then a little bit of salt. Alright, that's it. Let's stir it and it's gonna cook for 12 hours. What sparked this must-have apple butter now? Find? Because it would have been easier to just go to King's Supermarket and buy some, you know, fresh farm apple butter. Just some.
I was thinking maybe I'd give you some material to work with.
Oh, really? Oh, you're looking at? Okay, he's looking at for me. Yeah. Okay. That's a lot of brown sugar. I don't know if I can eat this. That's a lot of brown sugar, Jade. That's too much brown sugar. No? Alright. Okay.
Jim, do you want a tissue for that drool?
Okay, so for 1 hour, you're putting it on slow cook but high. Okay. And let me change the time here. So that way it rings when it's done. Okay, 1 hour. Let's go.
So you're gonna pass me.
And then after the 1 hour, you give it a good stir and you put it on 9 hours on slow cook at low heat. Okay, so that's started. We'll come back in an hour to see what it looks like. James, it's been in 10 minutes. It's not done. No, come on! It's not done!
You can smell it already.
God.
You can smell it already.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna sit there and watch this thing cook your apple butter?
It's cooking with love, so.
You're actually gonna look at it cook?
I'm gonna come down here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Jim's still gonna be sitting there. He's gonna be staring at that thing, and he's gonna have a bib under his under his chin.
I just got the worst sinus headache. It's 7:14. The guys went to Calandra to get a baguette because I'm reheating the soup for tonight. And this is what the apple butter looks like as of now. It smells like mulled cider is what it smells like. So this is getting closed. I just put it on low and it's got 8 hours to go. So tomorrow morning I'll give you a final shot as to what this is going to look like. And then over here all I'm doing is the soup. I gotta do it a little bit less hot. Okay, that's it. Alright, so I'll finish this video tomorrow morning because I'm gonna go to bed after I eat my soup. Hey guys, it's Monday morning. I'm about ready to go to work. It's 7:20. something like that. I wanted to show you what the apple butter looks like. I've never made it before, so I don't know. Is it what it's supposed to look like? I think it needs to be mushed, or what you call it, mashed. Though it breaks pretty easily, so you probably have to break it like this, but it smells really good. It smells like apple butter. I'm going to turn this off because it cooked for long enough. And tonight I'll figure out what I want to do. Okay, so I wanted to show what I'm taking for lunch. Well, lunch and breakfast. Big water right here with lime. And then this is my container, which I showed you the other day. So I have some guacamole, which I'm going to eat as a snack with some crackers. These are the 100-calorie cookie snacks. I have an apple, 2 oranges, 1 banana. This is plain yogurt. And to the plain yogurt I add some of those oats, and then this is my lunch sandwich, which is basically turkey and a little bit of that laughing cow, light laughing cow. That's it. That's all I eat between breakfast and lunch. So I'm pretty hungry when I come back home, and I think that's the problem. But anyway, this will conclude Tuesday's video. I will see you tomorrow. This video was kind of weird, I'm aware. We're all over the place on Sunday. So I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you still enjoyed this. Tonight when I come home, I'll be doing kitchen cleaning as part of Zone 2. So that's what you'll see on Wednesday. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye!